Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the pretty carrot flower. I'm going to use the spaghetti squash. I draw the line first and then I use a tool to cut it at the bottom of the basket. So I just follow the line to use a tool to cut it until I reach the basket handle. Then I will try to separate the hand, open it up and separate the handle and the basket at the bottom of the basket. And the squash is quite hard, but I try to do my best. Now I'm cut the slice of the carrot. So if you want a bigger flower, you cut the bigger slice. So the more bigger, the bigger flower you have. So I cut the line, try to go to the center as much as I could, then trim outside a little bit, clean the skin outside a little bit, so make the line clean. So I just go around like that until I finish the whole slice of carrot. So you can make it the small or big slice, up to you. So I just go around until I finish. So just go around the line and trim outside until I finish the carrot slice. It takes a little work and patience, but at the end, it's a very pretty flower. I'm pretty sure you will like it. I'm still trimming a little bit outside to make it clean. So now I use a toothpick to put in the center, maybe half of them, or 1/3 to put in the center. And then I use the blueberry, put on the top, just like that. And yeah, toothpick again, so to hold the flower and the basket together. You can put anywhere you want, then you think it look pretty. And then I use a cabbage leaf to shape it and to cut it. And shape it again, make it clean and clear. Then I use a toothpick to put the leaves and put on a basket all together. Thank you for watching.